Oftentimes people will say that OHC is the one-stop shop. And that really comes back to our importing capabilities, our large inventory that we have, that we maintain in stock, as well as our manufacturing capabilities. And now with the coating line, we're able to put a finish on that. In our new coating line, we're trying to produce everything to AIA standards, which is a premium finish. And what that is a minimum 20 knife marks per inch and or sanded with 120 grit paper. We decided to do both. So the substrate of the material is perfect before it goes into the coating line. Ours is a spray booth coating, and that allows us to spray and check just the right amount of mils that's going on there. So we can make sure that you're getting 4 mils or 5 mils or 6 mils through each step of the process. So we can do that both with the stain as well as with the top coat finish. And so that allows us to get really precise color and repeatable. And so if you call us and say, I'm really sorry, but it's 4 weeks later and we need to add 200 square feet to it, we can match that without any problem. We have the capability to coat all 6 sides of it. So the top, the bottom, both sides, as well as both ends. We sort of have one head leading into the board and we have one head hitting the trailing end of the board. We took a lot of care in designing the line to where it's easily switched from one type of coating to the next. Some applications require solvent-based finishes and some applications are better with water-based finishes. And so we can do either one. That makes it really unique. It makes it very versatile. We can go from a siding product with a water-based finish on it today to a solvent-based decking product tomorrow. And the oven is something that's really unique. It is a solvent-based oven, so we can actually cook oil-based finishes or water-based finishes. And then when it comes to the oven, it's ready to ship. So a lot of folks have to rack it and let it sit for 24 to 72 hours and let that stuff cure. Well, ours oftentimes can come straight out of the oven and ship straight to the customer. After we put in our coating line, we immediately started getting requests for a wire brushed finish. So this is a new process that we've added and really gives some volume and some texture to the wood. And then when you put the coating on top of that, it really makes it pop. It really makes it look good. You can call us and say, I would like to have this species of lumber run to this profile, kiln dry to this moisture content, and then pre-finished with either a solvent or a water-based finish. And we can do all that in one facility with one phone call to any of our salesmen, and we can make that happen. If you can dream it up, 9 times out of 10 we can manufacture it and put a finish on it.